So today's video is about the ultimate 2025 guide to create your own website. In today's digital world, if you are an entrepreneur, it is not just a nice to have, but it's a must to have website. A professional website gives your business a credibility, helps you reach more customers, and lets you showcase your offer 24/7. So our latest guide makes it easy for you to build your website step by step, even if you've never done it before. Don't rely only on social media, but take control of your online presence and start growing your brand today. Step 1. Choose your website's purpose and goal. Number 1, it can be a portfolio where you showcase your work. Number 2, it can be a business site to attract clients. Number 3, it can be a blog to share your ideas. And number 4, it can be a store where you sell your products or services. So write down all your goals and guide for that website, your design, and your contents. So step 2, pick a domain name. So a domain name is your website address. Just like mine, my website is a mixture of portfolio where I showcase my work, and also it's a blog post and also an online selling. So this is your web address. For example, mine is constancegrace.net. I was looking for the constancegrace.com, but it was already taken by somebody else, so I cannot have that. So for you, you can have .net, .com, .org. So you just have to choose. Think about the name that you wanted your website to be. You have to keep it short and simple, because the longer it is, it's so confusing for the people or your clients to know your website, and it's also hard for you to mention it, right? And use domain registers. I'm with Namecheap. I'm still waiting for my affiliate links from Namecheap. It's one of the best. I've been with Namecheap for a long time. So you can also go to GoDaddy. You can also go to Google Domain, where there are free websites there.
Step
You
3.
can choose which website builder. So in my case, I love the WordPress. So these are the website builders that you can choose. Number 1, there's the no-code website, which are Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace. And there are others. So these are no-code websites, so therefore they're a little bit pricey. So if you want to go to the different route, which is the WordPress, it's simple, it's easy to do, and SEO friendly. 90% of the websites are made from WordPress. Other CMS options are Webflow, Joomla, and Drupal. So there are lots. So these are the few things that I've mentioned and I'm comfortable sharing. Step 4 is get your website hosting. So if you're using a builder like Wix or Squarespace, the hosting is included. But if you choose WordPress like mine, like me, and lots of people are using WordPress, you have to choose your hosting, which is not that expensive because it is billed yearly. It's not that expensive compared to the no-code website builders. Examples of the website hosting are Namecheap, SiteGround, HostGator, and HostSinger. So by the way, I have a blog about this, and I will insert down below the link of the blog so you can check that out. So there's also a PDF download for that, so you have your own copy. It's easy for you to go along step by step. So step 5, install your website platform. Builders handle this automatically. So many hosts or hostings offer a one-click installation for WordPress. So it's not that hard. You just have to follow the prompt. When you have your hosting ready and then you install the WordPress, it's automatic. So it's not hard for you to do. And later down the road, I'm gonna make also a tutorial on how to create your own website, the action steps. Step 6, you choose a template. So most of the WordPress users, they are using Astra because it's so simple and it can be used for all the 4 goals or types of website that I've said: the portfolio, the business, the blog, and the store. So they are ready. It's not hard to do. So when you pick the template, you can customize that according to your liking, to your brand, and your purpose. So get the free version. It's already good. So I'm always using the free version. I bought one theme and I don't even use it. So it's better for you to choose the free version of your theme. Step 7 is you can now add pages and content. So the common pages that usually a website has is the home, about page, services, account login, log out, and blog posts, and also contacts. Those are the common pages, unless you want it so advanced so you can add more. So step 8 is you customize the navigation. And as I have said, as you go along, it is not hard to do. But so I'm not saying that it's easy to do, but it's very doable. So with this, make sure that your visitors, your website visitors, can easily find the key pages. The key pages that I have mentioned, the home, the about page, the contact, and your products or services that you're selling. 9. Add
Step
essential
9.
features. These are the contact forms, social media links, SEO settings, Google Analytics. You track visitors, and optional letter sign up. You have this thing that pop up when you open the website. So it's collecting emails, the booking system, e-commerce cart that you can use. So the ones that I'm talking about, I'm using the free version. You don't need to buy the pro version. So right now, you have to start from free versions. Step 10, you have to test everything. So make sure the buttons, the forms, and the links are working, because it's very disappointing when one of your visitors will complain because your links are not working. So you better check them before you launch your website. You also check your desktop and mobile versions, because it happened to me so many times when a desktop version is good, it looks nice, but then when somebody click and open on their cell phones, it's all over the place. So step 11 is publish and promote. So this time, you click the publish, and that way, all you have started and then all you have designed will be intact and it's not gonna lost. It's already saved on your website. So just make sure that you click publish, or else you're going to lose the design, the placement, the pages that you have attached to your website if you don't publish, because it's automatically saved. Then you share your website to social media, whatever social media you have. If you have Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and even LinkedIn, you can share so that people can check your website. Then keep your content updated. So many people are updating their contents every week. Me, I love to see what are the updates, because sometimes the links will be gone or for whatever reason. So I have to make sure that it's all updated every now and then. So I update mine every 3 days. So these are the pro tips that is really worth listening for. Is number 1, make sure that you're using high quality content. One of the best images that I got for free, number 1, go to site Pexels and also Pexels. Lots of them are free, and they're also a pro version, but you just choose the free ones, okay? Because you're just starting. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money in starting your own online business. Number 2, keep the text clear and concise. So guys, you don't need to be crazy about your wordings, about your contents. We have ChatGPT nowadays, so use ChatGPT. So just use ChatGPT and everything will be so easy. It's very obvious that you're using ChatGPT. That's why you insert some words that is really typical of your style of content creation. Number 3, don't forget the basic SEO, the search engine optimization, because when it's highly optimized, people will see your content right away. So there's lots of keywords there. And lastly, regularly back up your website. I know there's an automatic backup of your website, but sometimes you have to check that if it's automatic, because I know your hosting is automatically back that up, but you still have to do your job and to do your due diligence. So that's about it, guys, and see you on my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And as I have said, I'm gonna put the link about my blog, and there will be a PDF download for you to check on the things that I have mentioned. And that's about it, and see you in my next video. Bye.